name is Nick Armanasco, Regional Manager of Account Management here in the Bay Area. Our team focuses on managing our partners as well as continuing to cultivate and grow those relationships. Yeah, many of our universities, especially pre-pandemic, had a high rate of student jobs on campus and really utilizing their student labor. Universities use traditional staffing agencies because campus jobs tend to be, a 6-month stint as a semester or of course a trimester would be. We have seen that there can be some inconsistencies and reliability issues there. It's great when we can find someone that we like, but generally they don't want to stay for a long time. So being able to use a flexible staffing solution like Instawork, you can continue to source pros that are looking for those specific types of opportunities and have a true interest in those job categories. One of the biggest challenges is visibility, right? Being able to centralize everything on one platform or dashboard has really alleviated a lot of pain points at our university partners, especially our clients that are in the general manager type role where they're overseeing multiple of these locations, as well as being able to find and source staff for all the different jobs across campus. There can be 10 different dining halls and all these different retail locations, and being able to understand where the support is needed and then being able to assign staff to those locations is very difficult if you don't have a way to centralize all of that. Yeah, the training can fall onto the laps of someone internally at that university, right? It's generally a sous chef or a lead custodian, for example. And, that really does have an effect on the internal staff. So being able to utilize our training shifts, for example, we've actually seen at certain points that our pros are so well versed at a specific university that they actually will take on the responsibility of training any new pros that come in. The primary focus, I think, for a lot of the universities are the dining halls, the catering events, where they're hosting, hundreds, if not thousands of students at a time, right? And that's really kind of the bread and butter for a lot of our university partners. Being able to identify dorm cleanouts, right? That's something that's going to come every summer, as well as, on winter breaks as well too. We have events set up and takedown for graduations and other events that may be held on campus, as well as, supporting the athletics, right? Whether it's the concessions or the ushers or the ticket stampers, whatever that may be, we have a role for every entity on campus. We can really see a lot of different opportunity all throughout the year. We have a specific university partner here in the Bay Area where we had an initial opportunity in one of their larger dining halls. And once we got past a certain point, we were educating them on best practices, walking them through all the tips and tricks that we have here at Instawork. We were then able to get introduced to their catering department. That actually led to the event and setup portion of the actual universities. And then from there, we actually had an opportunity of supporting them in custodial or dorm cleanouts when the summer months were coming and graduation was ending. Being able to have this two-way or full transparency across platform really allows our university partners to feel much more comfortable and have a clear kind of mind in terms of who's going to be showing up the next day, right? Are we trending in terms of our budget spend for this semester or this quarter? Having the general manager servicing multiple departments, being able to have that visibility of who needs what in a given day, right? What type of quality is walking through the door. And that's really going to drive, our main value propositions of quality, reliability, and convenience, right? And then being able to back it with quality staff is really a win-win across the board. I would definitely advise in terms of taking a leap of faith, right? Get out of your comfort zone and really break out of the traditional mold that a lot of these universities are continuing to utilize, right? come to, the side where technology is your friend and is able to do a lot of the legwork for you. Being able to use a tool that's going to recruit, it's going to vet, and then also it's going to drive quality across different parts of your department, is really going to alleviate your day to day, and free up you to actually be able to focus on your primary role as a general manager.